How you doing? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Jeff Seaton, and this is Jeff Seaton Lawn Care. Before we get started on this video, in the comments section below, let me know where you're watching this video from. Today, we're going to take a look at the Ryobi 5 amp 40 volt battery that isn't charging properly. You can see I pressed the power indicator. I have the 4 flashing light issue. Maybe you have it, maybe you've seen it before. I have a collection of different types of Ryobi batteries. In total, I have about 20 or 25 different Ryobi 40 volt batteries. Again, today we're focusing on the 5 amp battery. As I said before, I've done a video on these and a video on resetting these, both of which you can find on my channel. Each of these batteries have a different board, so the process of resetting one is different. Everything I need to take care of this is right here. The very first thing to do, as you can see, each of these have a accessible screw in there, except one. It's a safety cap in there. Before you open this, understand that there is a chance that you could damage the board opening this, and they really don't want you going in here, possibility of maybe injuring yourself. So I will start by taking out our safety cap here. Just going to dig a little hole into that. There we go. And that's all there is in there. Next, I'm going to take my T10 Torx safety bit. We'll open this one has a second cap here, so we'll remove that as well. That one's gone. Next, let's see the sticker on here. Go to remove this. That sticker is going to prevent it from lifting off. So you can do a couple things. You can see the seam through here. You can use a knife and just cut that. Then you'll always have a slice through that tag. Instead, I'll take my scraping blade. I'll just work my way underneath one of the corners here. Up. Being very careful. And that's all I need to do there. We'll have a look at that board. And of course, this is the OP40501 model. So now with this battery open, let's take a closer look at the board. You can see the arrow with RST written in it, pointing to a small hole, and the other arrow with ground written in it is pointed to the other small hole. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a metal paper clip, I'm going to open it up, make sure both ends are equal distance apart, and I'm going to jump the RST to the ground. I'm going to hold it there for about 10 seconds. And from there, with any luck, that battery is going to start working again. Okay, now I'm going to take my paper clip. We're going to connect our 2 holes here. And we'll hold 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Push that power button and see what happens. So now you can see the flashing 4 lights are gone. Now let's see if we put this back together, if it will charge. So now I got my battery charger. You can see it's plugged in. We're down to 1 bar on the battery. Let's see if it will take a charge. And look at that. Got a charging indicator flashing, saying that it's charging. You can see that the battery itself is charging. I'm going to leave that for a few minutes. So now that's obviously taking a charge. Let's pull that off there, and we'll put this battery back together. Now the real test with 1 bar, will it power a tool? Grab one of my leaf blowers. Let's give this a shot. Cross your fingers. There you go. And just like that, we are done. If you're interested in picking up a set of these, you can pick them up on Amazon. I'll stick a link to them below. As I said at the beginning of the video, the issues that I was experiencing with this battery that I've had for 5 or 6 years is I would push the power button, all 4 of the indicator buttons would flash, and when I put it onto a charger, it wouldn't take a charge. That tells me that the battery management system detected an error, and that reset process is what I use to reset the battery and hopefully bypass that error. As you can see from the video, and now that error has been cleared and the battery is now taking a charge. If you have any questions on this or anything to do with lawn care, put them in the comments section below. I always like to know where people are watching my videos from, so in the comments section, leave me a little message, let me know where you're watching this video from. I'm Jeff Seaton, and this has been Jeff Seaton Lawn Care.